Hello, I'm Kevin Taylor, and I'm here with Powerful Signal today in beautiful southern Utah. And I want to talk to you about a couple of things. I want to talk to you about how easy and simple it is to install a cellular amplifier in an SUV vehicle. Nobody wants the hassle factor, nobody wants to drill holes and run wires through their leather interior and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you the simple way to do it in the easy way. I also want to talk to you about an amplifier, the SureCall Fusion XR. It's a really good system if you're out in the middle of nowhere. It's the one that I've chosen. I could pick any one I want, but I've chosen the SureCall XR to be in my vehicle. So let me just show you a couple of things here. Usually on a vehicle, the most difficult thing is the exterior antenna, the donor antenna. That's the one that's hardest. That's the one that sometimes people drill holes for. Not needed. This is simple. The XR has a really good magnet. I think it's the best magnet of all the cellular amplifier, mobile cellular amplifiers that there is on the market. Strong, it pops off, it stays on, no problem. The cable goes from the top of the roof down into the back, and I'm going to show you the back, but let me just point out a couple of things. A lot of SUVs have glass roofs. This one has an entire glass roof, but on the very back there's metal. So there are places that have metal. You might need to find them, and if you don't have any metal or you have aluminum, the XR has a 3M pad that you can use to stick on. So let me show you how I put the amplifier in the back of the vehicle. So here's the cable that's coming from the antenna that's magnet mounted on the roof. And basically, I just run it down the trough, and all SUVs have some kind of similar kind of trough, and I run it down the trough to the bottom here, and then I just run it along the side. Now sometimes you can put an amplifier underneath, but I just set the amplifier in the back here. It's not even mounted down. Now, most SUVs have a power plug in the back. This one does, so I plug the power right in here for the amplifier. So everything is just right here. And this is the only thing that's in the back. So when it comes time, I can just take this out when my trip is over, or if I want to move it to another car. Super easy. So here's the amplifier that we have sitting in the back. And here's the cable that goes to the front antenna inside the vehicle. I've screwed it onto the amplifier, and I've folded the seat down, bring the cable in and around and tuck it in underneath the seat here. Very easy, no problem, nothing permanent. And then I run it underneath the floor mats just to keep it out of the way of the people in the back seat. And I'm going to go into the console, right to the side of the console here. Let me show you how that works. The cable's underneath the floor mat in the back seat. You just drop the cable down between the seat and the console. No problem, it's just plenty of space there. And bring it up wherever it's handy. And then you want the antenna someplace that you're going to have a phone near. And what I do is I usually put my phone in the cup holder, so right there it's right next to the antenna. Different SUVs might have a little bit different setup, but probably no hassle, no problem. It's easy. Okay, so here's a signal reading app, and it shows that we have a -124 down here in the red. This is a bad signal. We're in a remote area. Probably barely usable, if anything at all. So let's turn the vehicle on, which will power on the amplifier, and let's see what happens. There we go. Now the amplifier, antenna sitting in the cup holder. We've got a -100, -95. We're in the green. So everything is looking pretty good at this point. So that amplifier does a lot as far as in remote areas. We have usable cell signal, and it's all working. Now let me show you the app that comes with the amplifier. This is just a signal reading app that I have. So SureCall has an app that they let you use, and basically you start it up and it finds your device. So we have an XR. I'm going to press that. It's connecting to it, all green bars. So as you're driving, even though my amplifier is in the back of the vehicle, I know it's operating correctly. I know the wires are connected up, I know it's powered up and doing everything that it should be. And that's with the SureCall app that comes with the amplifier. Okay, I've spent a few minutes talking to you about how easy it is to put a cellular amplifier in an SUV. And most SUVs are the same. So it's an easy vehicle. Don't be worried about it. No drilling, no holes, simple, simple. But let me say a few things about the SureCall Fusion2Go XR amplifier. That's the one I have. I chose it because it's the best. Powerful Signal, technical person, drove across Utah and Colorado in remote areas with a few amplifiers, the best-selling amplifiers on the market. The XR performed the best, didn't drop calls, kept signals, and the data throughputs were the best on it also. So, if you want the best amplifier, if you're in remote areas, the SureCall Fusion2Go XR amplifier is really the one to buy. Now, if you have a different kind of setup like a truck or some kind of large vehicle, RV, or a boat or something like that, Powerful Signal has a wide variety of exterior antennas that can be used with the XR amplifier. So give Powerful Signal a call, go with the best amplifier, stay connected. Thank you very much.